What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and guess what? We've got another amazing video set up for you today. And this one is going to be a really good one, okay? This one is going to be two packages coming straight up from Nomad. These are two hot new drops, two very limited releases right here. I'm going to see if y'all can kind of guess, right? You can pause right now for dramatic effect and try to guess and see what you think these may be. Did you do it? Well, guess what? Let's go ahead and get into it, okay? I'm tired. I'm too excited. I've been waiting for these to come in the mail for a really long time. One. We've got two. We've got the two new limited release drops, sport bands from Nomad. And I missed out on some of the older drops that they did, the limited releases that they did before, but I am so glad I was able to get these. We've got it, of course, in the, it's like a blue and gray. Let's see what the official color is that they call it. They call it Electric Strike. This one right here is Electric Strike. And then this other one, y'all, is going to be Ultra Strike. So the Ultra Strike is the orange and gray. The Electric Strike is going to be the blue and gray. Let's get into it, y'all. Let's stop with all the foolishness. Gonna go ahead and open this up for you. Ooh, my goodness. I really like Nomad's presentation with the pull tab. You just pull it out. This will be for their cases and any of their products. So we've got right here, again, what is that name for the blue and gray? It's the Electric Strike. Then we're gonna pull this out. So it's just secured, lays right in there. Oh, nope, there's a little band that secures that in. So it looks like you have to pull this tab up, slide this out. It tells you how to install it, and then before you can do that, you've got some tabs that kind of secure it inside on the back. So let's take one of those off each side. Damn, this is actually a little more complicated than I thought it was going to be. All right, so got that right here. We released it, so we're gonna put the band. Of course, and I like this, really cool for folks who are not experienced. It does come with how to install instructions in the box. So that's going to be the Electric Strike color. Bring this next one into frame. Again, reminding you, this is the Ultra Strike, that orange and gray. Pull tab at the top. Open that up. Tab on the side. Pull that up. So bring your watch band right there. Flip it over. All these little tabs pulled in and through. And then same thing for the other side, y'all. So this is actually a really exciting unboxing for me because I never really ordered. I ain't gonna lie, these are not cheap, okay? These are not cheap. I should have waited to Black Friday to get these, but I didn't want to miss out on the drop. But these are like, I think, 60 bucks each. Right out of the box, y'all, they are very nice. So these are sports bands, gonna help with sweating. The ventilation that you see right there is gonna help with temperature control that's on your wrist. I just like the color combination. The material is gonna be kind of similar to like a silicone, but to me, it's a higher quality, at least feeling silicone on both of these. Let's go ahead and throw this on. So bring it right there. Go ahead and pop off these older bands on here. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've always struggled with getting these watch bands off. Sometimes it's easy for me, and then sometimes it's like pulling teeth. So got those two off right there. I'm gonna pull in the microfiber into the shot. And then let's go ahead and pop these on. You can forward through and skip around if you wanna see when the finished product is on and how it looks. So that's how it looks. Get this out so we remove that distraction. That's how it's gonna look. In that Ultra Strike color, that's that orange and gray. Just flap it on the wrist, see how easy it is to get on. Just bring that bottom tab under, kind of put a little pressure to pop it in. So got that through, and then you feed your excess into the band itself. Really easy to put on. This color looks really good with the natural titanium. Okay, let's go ahead and pop on this other blue one. Let's go ahead and get this on. So that way y'all can see how it looks. Okay, this is gonna be the electric strike band, sport band from Nomad. This was a limited drop, so you may or may not be able to get this now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing those two side by side. Let me know if you're gonna pick one of these up. I highly recommend them. They're very easy to use. Sorry, not very easy. Very easy to put on. With a little bit of elbow grease, right? But they look really nice in the watch, and that's what matters. All right, y'all, and roll the outro. Listen, YouTube, I need your help. I need every single one of you to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, okay? I am at about 74 subscribers as of the recording of this video. And my goal this year, before we finish out 2023, is to hit 100 subscribers. I can't do that alone. I need every single one of your help. Please do me a huge favor. If you can, share the videos if you love them with your families, your friends, your neighbors, strangers. I don't care. Let's grow the Bobby G's Corner community and get 100 subs, and the next year go for 1,000, 100,000, a million, and beyond, y'all. I know we can do it, but I can't do it without your help. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every single one of y'all.